Okay, and for last example here is 7b of section 2.2. It's n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial is equal to 90. And remember, the restriction here is where n must be a natural number. That's there written in your problem statement. So we want to start with the larger factorial again to try to simplify what we have. So just n factorial, that's larger than n minus 2. So we'll write out n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial on top, still divided by n minus 2 factorial. It's all equal to 90. So we'll cancel out our n minus 2's, which will give us n times n minus 1 is 90. And we'll multiply this through here. So n squared minus n is 90. And now we're going to have to bring our 90 over to the left-hand side of our equation. N squared minus n minus 90 is equal to 0, because now we have a quadratic. Which means we need to factor to solve for n. And we're going to get more than one answer this time. So what are the factors of minus 1 and 90? So we need to find two numbers that are going to add to be minus 1, but multiply together to be minus 90. Thankfully, that shouldn't be too tough, because, well, 10 times 9 is 90, and 10 minus 9, or 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So that gives us, and I'll move up here, that gives us, so a negative 10 and positive 9 are our factors, which means we can treat each of these separately. So we have n minus 10 is equal to 0, and n plus 9 is equal to 0. So n, it can be equal to 10, or it can be equal to minus 9 here. But remember, back to the original problem, n must be a natural number. Minus 9 is a negative number, so that's not a natural number. So we're not allowed to have a negative here for this little n. So we're going to cross that out and reject it. So the only answer to this problem for n is equals 10.